Since the acquisition process began for Kina Bank to acquire Westpac Bank in PNG and Fiji, Kina Bank has emphasized on its potential to create positive impact through the acquisition, particularly in PNG's banking sector.
Yes, we announced the acquisition of Westpac in PNG and Fiji late last year, subject to the regulatory approvals in both countries, and this specifically is the central banks and the competition authorities in both countries. So this is a part of the process that we have to go through. The ICCC has a process that they go through, which involves public consultation. Obviously, they're concerned around the competition in the banking sector and whether there will be adequate competition after this transaction has taken place.
With its final submission today to the ICCC to determine the future of the acquisition deal, which is worth over $1 billion Kina Bank's Nathan Winty assured Papua New Guineans in an exclusive interview with EMTV News this afternoon that the acquisition will be good for competition in the country's banking space.
So back before the Maybank acquisition, there were 4 commercial banks. There was BSP and 4 overseas banks. 3 overseas banks. And it's fair to say the 3 overseas banks were looking at ways to actually leave the country and reduce their exposure in PNG. So effectively, you only had one player that's interested in growing and being in PNG and competing. So that was BSP. Now, obviously, that's not a sustainable position. So we took the opportunity, as we knew that there was selling interest, to acquire the banks that were looking to reduce their exposure in PNG.
This follows a draft determination statement recently by the ICCC that it will not allow Kina Bank to proceed with the acquisition of Westpac Bank PNG with varied reasons, including the possibility of Kina Bank unlikely to not lessen competition in the market. CEO of the largest bank in the country, BSP Financial Group Limited, Robin Fleming, had this to say on the acquisition this morning upon presenting their half-year financial results for this year.
All along has been that we welcome competition. And that competition has to ensure that any financial institution who is licensed by Bank and PNG bears that reasonable level of responsibility of delivering banking services to everyone in PNG. BSP has no exclusivity in place, agreements in place with any province, with any district, and anyone is welcome to open a branch in any of the areas we have branches.
We will have, a couple of larger local players in the commercial banking space, but I think more importantly, we need to have the local player, the non-bank players, step up and sort of fill that vacuum and that void to be able to service the rest of the country. So I'm excited about the transition that's happening.
After a pre-decision conference last week to enable consultation between the concerned parties involved, Kina Bank made its final submission today to ICCC with a final determination expected next month. Dennis Sorere, National EMTV News.